Today we're going to look at the XYZ RLX780 Proturn lathe, the largest machine in the range. There are 8 models in the family, so if you're looking for a different size, please check out our website. The machine is fitted with the Proturn RLX touchscreen control. Proturn was first introduced into the UK in the early 90s, and it was an immediate success and revolutionised many machine shops. The control has both manual and CNC functions with a simple to use interface, which gives you the ability to make low volume and one-offs very quickly and easily, plugging the gap between manual and CNC machines. The RLX780 is a solid cast iron machine with one-piece bed and base with induction hardened ways. This gives the base a massively rigid construction. It is a 3-metre gap bed lathe with an impressive 160mm spindle bore and a 780mm swing over bed. It is a real beast of a machine. The headstock is built using Japanese induction hardened and high quality precision ground gears. 2 precision taper roller bearings and a support journal bearing ensure spindle rigidity and concentricity. High pressure oil lubrication is provided to all gears and bearings via a pump and oil cooler, ensuring thermal stability, quiet running and long life. The machine has a 3-speed gearbox, ensuring you have the maximum performance when you need it. With 1300 RPM max spindle speed and with constant surface speed, you have everything you need to produce components efficiently and with a great surface finish. The RLX780 has a heavy tailstock with 2 clamp points, which prevent movement when machining components between centres. Repositioning is effortless and is achieved by providing an air cushion that lifts the tailstock from the bed. Please note this is not available on the Proturn RLX1630. There are 2 interlock guards on the machine. The chuck guard allows you to use the machine with the main guard up, making it easy to set up the machine and do those manual operations. When you want to use the machine in full CNC mode, you can close down this main door, keeping all swarf and coolant inside the machine. The RLX780 has a front opening easy access swarf tray, making light work of swarf removal and reduces the amount of space required at the rear of the machine. This machine is fitted with a 3-jaw 500mm diameter steel chuck. However, as part of the optional equipment, you can fit a larger 4-jaw chuck, and also drilling attachments are available. This machine has been designed for a wide range of operators, from someone who has no CNC experience right through to the most seasoned programmer. There are plenty of features to help you produce a wide range of components, from producing tapers and radii in manual mode through to the optional DXF file converter that makes easy work of electronic drawings. We strongly believe that it is important for our customers to see a machine in action before they make a purchase. So for a demonstration, give us a call today using the number on the screen. We will then arrange a no obligation demo at one of our nationwide showrooms or with a local user. And best of all, if you need a machine quickly, we have them all in stock. As a promise to all our customers, we provide free training and a full support package. To find out more about the RLX control or this particular machine, please contact us using one of the methods you can see on screen. Alternatively, if you'd like to see this control system in action, please contact us to arrange a desktop demo at your site, where you can see how simple yet powerful the control is.